Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I am excited to show you how to make a DC motor speed controller without using a microcontroller. It is a simple and practical project that can be done with common components, and it is a great way to learn more about electronics and control systems, whether you are a beginner or an experienced DIYer. I am sure you will find something interesting in this video. So let's get started and see how we can hack our motor together. These are the components which I required for this project: a breadboard, 10K potentiometer, a DC motor, IRF-Z44 and MOSFET, 22 microfarad capacitor, and some wires for connections. This is the circuit diagram we are going to follow. This will be available on top left corner of the screen. So first, let's take a breadboard and install our IRF-Z44 and MOSFET. Now take the 10K potentiometer. I have soldered these wires, connection wires, to the potentiometer. Now make the connections as per the circuit diagram. Now, using a jumper cable, we are going to extend the source terminal of the MOSFET we will install the 22 microfarad capacitor and using this jumper cable connect the ground of the capacitor to the ground on the breadboard. Now using another jumper cable, I am connecting the 5 volt from the breadboard to the gate of the MOSFET. Now use this jumper cable to connect the ground of the breadboard to the second fixed terminal of the 10K potentiometer. Here I am installing a DC motor on the breadboard. Now take a jumper cable and connect the positive end of the capacitor to the motor and the negative end of the capacitor to the negative end of the motor. Here I am using a 6 volt battery pack. I have connected the 6 volt battery pack to the breadboard, and with this our circuit is ready. Now, using the potentiometer, we can adjust the speed of our motor. Thank you for watching my video on how to make DIY DC speed controller. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest video. Thanks again and have a wonderful day.